Hi, I want a jet engine. The easiest way to get something is just to buy it straight out, and conveniently there was a bunch for sale on eBay. There was only one problem with that though. I don't have that kind of money lying around for these projects. This predicament left me with only one option, which was just to build it myself. This seemed like a pretty solid plan until there emerged one fatal flaw. I don't know how to build a jet engine. From the diagrams I looked at, it all seemed pretty complicated until I saw this one video that changed everything. That's a water bottle. This build looks so simple, even my idiotic brain could do it. And I know some of you are going to comment that this isn't technically a jet engine, but it goes and has thrust, so for this video's purposes, we're building a jet engine. So that's all nice and dandy, but to build a jet engine, we kinda have to understand how one works, so when I put everything together and something inevitably fails, I know how to fix it. Luckily, how a jet engine works is actually pretty simple, in theory. Basically, there's a bunch of air that comes in over here, gets heated up to a hot temperature, and gets shot out the back. As the air expands, it has to move out the back a lot faster than it came in, so the air pushes back on the engine, and that's what's called thrust. Okay, cool. Now that I understood how it worked, I went to order my parts on Amazon, and due to the black magic of Jeff Bezos, they arrived about 12 hours later. Let's start to build it. Great, I spent a couple hours cutting out these propellers, but now I gotta cut out the actual water bottle. I was able to grab an old can and cut some holes in it to use as my combustion chamber. What is a combustion chamber, you may ask? Why do we need it? I originally wondered why we needed this also. This is when I did some research and realized that it was going to be useful. You see, the hot air comes out the back, but if we make it only come out a tiny opening, it has to come out even faster than it came out the front. Like much, much faster. So that's what the combustion chamber does. It only lets the hot air go out a tiny little hole. So cool, now I just gotta drill some holes in a water bottle. Nice. I cut some holes in a water bottle and stuffed a can in there. Now how long did this take? Yeah, this whole thing was about 4 weeks to make, and it didn't work the first time I tried it because I attached the propellers to the brushless DC motor not straight, so it just rattled like a giant vibration motor. I was planning on releasing this video as one big video, but that isn't gonna work. So, you guys get a 2-part series. Woo, we love those. Yeah, it's exciting. So I'll see you guys next time with a hopefully completed jet engine.